I am Navin, MSc in Mathematics. In your education, trigonometry plays the important role. Believe me, it's the base of it as its main play the role. If you have understood well in this standard, it is more useful to understand in higher education, like inter and up to degree. So you give 100% to the class and try to understand what I am giving to you. First of all, I am giving to you ratios of trigonometry. The term ratios of trigonometry. What is the ratios of trigonometry? What this word suggests? What is the term of ratios of trigonometry? The term ratio is suggested as the sides in between the two sides we have to find the angle. That's why this term is ratio suggested as ratio of trigonometry. First of all, we have to take right angle triangle for this explanation. But why? I will explain that also. Required triangle A, B, C. Here, this is 90 degrees. At angle B 90 degrees, what angle B 90 degrees? And here angle C is theta. For example, when I am seeing angle C, the opposite side is AB. This is AB becomes opposite side, and BC becomes adjacent side, and AC becomes hypotenuse. In shortly, we call hypo. This is right angle triangle. At angle B 90 degrees, what angle B 90 degrees means? In this right angle triangle, why I am take this right angle triangle means in this right angle triangle there are three sides with different names. If we have these three sides in only one name, we have a little bit confusion. That's why in this right angle triangle there are three sides and with three different names. That's why we have to take only right angle triangle. For example, my name is Navin and your name is Sankit and your name is Ramesh. For example, where three names are only Navin. When somebody calling Navin, we have little bit some confusion. That's why we have some three different names. As same like this, in this figure, there are three different names with three different sides. That's why we have to take only right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, angle C, theta, gives my ratios of trigonometry. Only angle theta will help the finding ratios of trigonometry. The first one is cos theta, or no problem, sin theta. Sin theta, opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite upon hypo means hypotenuse. Here opposite side is AB upon adjacent means BC, and similarly cos theta, adjacent upon hypotenuse. Equals to adjacent means BC and hypo means exactly AC, and similarly tan theta, opposite side by adjacent side. I means opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite means AB, adjacent means BC. If we have remembering these three like this, we have little bit confusion and we have little bit some hesitation. That's why for these three, remembering easily, I will give some magical word. Believe me, it's a magical word. That is very personal. The word is Osha Chota. This one word gives these three ratios and remaining also. How? It means sin theta, tick, and cos theta means C, tick, and tan theta, here, tick and mark away. Here, sin theta, opposite upon hypo, and here cos theta, adjacent upon hypo, here tan theta, opposite upon adjacent. Are you clear? Okay. Now, remaining three. Cosec theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta, means 1 by sin theta, means reciprocal of sin theta. We have to see right from left, hypo upon opposite, because in sin theta opposite upon hypo, that's why in this is reciprocal, so we have to take hypo upon opposite. Hypo means AC and opposite means AB. Similarly, tan theta, this is reciprocal of cos theta, 1 by cos theta. That is, we have to see from right to left, that is hypo upon adjacent. Hypo upon adjacent means hypo means AC, adjacent means BC, and remaining cot theta. Sorry, here this is sec theta. Cot theta, this is reciprocal of tan theta. That is, we are seeing from adjacent upon hypo. Adjacent upon hypo. That is, adjacent means BC and hypo means AC. So these are three ratios and total 6 ratios. By this one word, we have to derive these 6 ratios of trigonometry. So that's why I am calling this is a magical word. Exactly. This is right angle triangle. In this figure, for example, I would like to see here angle C. That's why make this happen. For example, I am seeing from angle C. Then opposite side is become BC exactly, and adjacent side is AB. But here hypotenuse is not changed. This is remaining constant. For example, you are facing to me, so I am facing to you. You are opposite to me, but my hand is adjacent to me. Clearly, I will explain one this also. You are opposite to me. I am facing to you, but right now my hand is adjacent to me. Same in this figure also like that. This is ratios of trigonometry, and further we will see identities of trigonometry. Thank you.